Hi guys, video of the bush mule. Oh crap. Video of the bush mule. Bit of a homage to the bush mule. She had an early arrival, as they say. Really windy day. The actual wing spar pulled out the fuselage, which made the wings snap. Then it landed in the hedge. That's at the end of the video. The video starts off with our unboxing, which is the, I think it was April, May, that sort of time, last 2018, where we had the live unboxing on Rag Nuts. And yeah, really like the plane, though I wouldn't buy another one. This is a bit odd. She's had her time. I've had the original, which was the Sky Mule, and the Bush Mule was just very similar. Slightly bigger payload, but apart from that, very similar plane. Anyway, quick look at what's left of her. And there we go. That is what it ended up with in the hedge. So enjoy the video. Goes from the unboxing through to several flights, several landings. The maidens in there, and the last flight we ever had. The only sort of downside I would say was the wing joiners. I should quickly show you. These bits here, the amount of times I've snapped those out of the fuselage. You can see how many times I've glued them. They've got to be, must have glued those back in there 8 times. So over the year. But yeah, motor's off, bits everywhere, not really looking too good at the moment, but hell, what's the worst that can happen? Anyway, on that note, enjoy the video, bye.
So what's in the box?
Avios Bush mule.
Bushfire.
Bushfire.
We're being a bit mean to it, aren't we? Because
there's only one that's caught fire so far.
There's only one caught fire.
So far.
Soon to be 2.
It's when the rockets don't take off or the fireworks don't go off properly and they end up...
There's only 2 wires there, so they'll just be on permanently from or on or off.
From some of the Hobby King videos, it looks like you can turn them on and off. So the outer ones will be on permanent, but the landing lights you'll be able to turn on and off.
Yeah, but there's only 2 wires though.
That's what I love. Yeah.
That's what we call being an ass.
Oh,
yeah. Tell you what, that's nice in there.
that is huge.
Wow.
There's no weight to that either, is there? I'm just holding it on the nose and...
Yeah.
Landed! Oh, already!
So, answer to your question earlier, have you...
There's a longer one.
A bigger one.
My word, if there is.
Austin should have sent me a picture of that one.
Yeah, I'm gutted I didn't send him the picture.
Yeah,
that slot's there.
That's number 1 on the to-do list for tomorrow morning.
And that slot's there. Is it? No, they've brought a Grande Tundra.
Yeah.
Seems to don't want to go down there. You might need to put your hand in the side box.
Yeah, I don't know where those servos, where they go.
They go into the inner wing.
Right, yeah, they need more attention than what I'm giving it
So
right
that
now.
obviously slots on
So
there.
they've got little thinny little circlets all the... Yeah, like off a Tamiya car for the bonnet catches.
Oh, yeah.
The little spring clips.
Car
Yeah,
clips,
car
yeah.
clips. So that will hold that on there. So you could take the wings off, the wing end tips off, and get it in the car.
So, I don't know if you've noticed all the cameras, but this is a maiden.
Yeah.
No cameras.
Dave's got his flask.
Pre-flight faults?
Oh fuck. Yeah, I'll be fine. Right, we're going right.
Hey?
Lefty, lefty, righty, righty,
Right.
uppy, downy.
Yeah. We're confident you'll land it, but how many bits is in is the issue, isn't it?
And if the canopy stays on, it's a good landing.
Oh, the canopy stays on.
Yeah.
Right. No
It could be smashed to buggery, but as long as the canopy stays on.
Oh, the canopy. Right.
Anyway.
What could go wrong?
You all watching this now?
Yeah, we're all watching.
Yeah, okay. You run out of film yet?
Yeah,
Battery's going flat? Yeah? No.
Battery's gone flat now. That's boring as hell, isn't it?
Just like you. That's not on at the moment. Oh!
You thought about it, didn't you?
Thought about a touch and go, but she's down in one piece.
Ooh.
Hey!
Finally. That's landed, yeah. That acts as a good brake actually, isn't it?
You don't actually need it on takeoff, so
No, no. It slows you down on landing.
the extra drag on that, right on that.
Yeah, yeah. That's why you got full sort of right trimming now, is it? Yeah. Oh my word.
Another hot wire cutting section.
Hot wire cutting. Gee. Oh! What did happen? Because I didn't see it. Can you do it again?
Not this time round. No.
Good day when someone says, "Oh, bring the camera." So this is Andy in the bushfire. He's had it for quite a while now. Apparently he trashed it last time he was out flying the other weekend, and tried sending it back to its maker. Today, well, oh, here we go.
Oh, he's up.
So how have you found the bush mule anyway? You've had it a while. Didn't you, last week you tried destroying it?
Yeah, we cartwheeled it a few times last week.
Yeah.
Knife edging it over the...
Lost him. Ah, completely lost him now. There you go. And, oh no, focus. Oh, you're after the... I like your plan, sir. Go on, have him. Who's down? Where are we looking?
Coming in hot. I've only got one prop.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, 4K baby!
Kind of.
Whoa! That's impaled.
The U pull worked well, as you can see.
Oh, because the motor mount come off last time, did it?
Yeah, we can see where it split off last time.
Different place.
Wow!
Broken in different places too.
Well, that shows how well U pull works, doesn't it? Because take that away, there you go. Look, the old bit's still glued on there. Is the battery all right? We haven't had any magic smoke. No, it's all right. Wow! Leave that in there. We'll stick that on Faceballs in a minute. More importantly, is that the Aerostar motors as well? They're pretty good.
Yeah, the ones came with it. They're standard.
Oh, what KV are they?
850s.
Oh.
Standard.
Do you know what? That's the only motor I've ever bought as a replacement, was for the EF Extra, and that was in the Aerostar one because I wore the bearings out.
Oh, I like that.
Look at that, and it just went in and hit the battery and stopped. That's brilliant.
I like that.
Yeah. Flying it with only one prop.
One.
Yeah, this would be all right.
Even for the propellers.
You've heard of the red arrows? This is the red mules. Two landings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I've just caught it. Kill the budgie. Should have recorded it.
I think the budgie had an air-to-air missile.
Yeah, I'm claiming that as a kill. Wow. I suppose I did a couple of rolls before it went in.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I can see you giving opposite aileron, Andy, but I do for a nib bite.
That's nothing to do with
There's
it.
the cap off the mower. Wheel cap.
Oh. So,
Well, hopefully that smoke is the prosperity. You've got to do a chipmunk for this bit.
Chipmunk. What's that?
there's a wing. I found a wing.
Much left of that. A little bit of an instant bushfire. We had a wings. I would say that it pulled the wing out, the wing strafe.
What wing was the Mobius on?
Hopefully not that. No, it's on the fuselage. This one. This is the impact zone. Oh, what's happening there? Well, there's the Mobius.
Still running.
No.
You proper job.
Oh, that is proper. That is, isn't it?
All of a sudden in the next field.
I like the engine. I like the propeller in the engine in the hedge. There's the other one. You've lost the prop.
Oh, you broke the props, Andy.
Both props.
Yeah.
Oh, gutted. Yeah, I don't think you're building this one again.
Props.
Hey, we found the Mobius.
You got that, have you?
Yeah. That is impressive. That is really impressive.
I think I folded it up.
Hold on, let me get a photograph of that. I need a photograph of that.
Telemetry lost.
So, Mr. Bolton, what is your what'd you say?
She was good.
What'd you say?
I've done that already.
Oh, have you?
I'm pretty sure.
Well, I'll just make sure.
Bloody went over this side, isn't it?
Christ, in it. That is something else.
I'll carry this bit for you.
We're all the way through the hedge to the other side. Now you're going to get the rest of it from the other side of the hedge.
Should have bought a carrier bag.
Carrier bag? Yeah. You got an aileron to pick up. What he's got?
I've had one quite as bad as that before.
That's quite straight, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bit like the striker you were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
That's probably worse.
There's a bit there.
Yeah, just fold it up. Didn't it?
It's actually, that's dirt. It's hit the dirt there, look.
Yeah.
And broke a tree.
Well, hedge got through it there. It's that same one that got pulled out. I think that got pulled off. What's those?
Didn't like
Really,
it.
really good wing spars. Don't
Yeah.
really support it without the brace on.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh. We have more aircraft retrieval teams.
Yeah, I can't get that.
There's a piece behind you. that bit. Then we have two people climbing the hedges to get bits. Back to that.
Yeah, see if there's any electronic bits.
Electronicals.
But you laughing,
I was half expecting to catch fire as soon as I ignited the smoke.
Yeah.
Well, the first one, yeah. At least we got 3 smokes out of it.
And the smoke's filmed.
Yeah.
I think your motor's alright.
Yeah, that was I say, motors, ACs, electronics. Although they've broken over 2 8x6 props.
Everything accounted for?
I think so.
Yeah, I believe so. Hard to say.
Okay. I've had an epiphany. I'm going to do the hot glue challenge. She will have one more flight. So then, answers on a postcard. How many of these hot glue sticks is she going to need to get back in the air? How many do you reckon? It's got to be, I'm probably looking at least 10, 20. But she will fly again. Well, she fly. I will try and make it fly again. I will film the hot glue challenge. Yeah, that was a bit of the canopy. I filmed the hot glue challenge and we'll tag it on another video. Bye.